if you guys got this new style ram, this one here is the 2020. I'm removing a wrap on it in order to get this door handle off. It's a pretty easy process. Tools I will be using is a Torx long Torx 25, little plastic puller here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this plastic trim here, one here, couple of them to move it away. That will expose this hole here. Take your Torx 25, guide it in here. There's a little screw that you're aiming for, and we got stuck on that. It might be even 27 or 30, but our 25 is doing exactly what it needs to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew it. There we go. That might be enough. Now this one releases this cap here. Probably needs a little bit further out. There we go. There we go. That's already loose here. Pull the handle and move this one back and forth. Slide it out. Okay. And this one, move to the side. Out it is. For the inner handle, inner part, there is a screw here. I'm unsure if there is maybe a screw hidden here if you need to change the lock inside, but guide this one back in, slide it to the left, pull the handle back, place this back, screw back that Torx 25, and it's done. That's the way you remove it, that's the way you install it. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this.